Hey everyone, I'm Lai, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the gear that transforms your adventures. Your lifeline in the wild. Out on the trail, your equipment isn't just stuff. It's your shelter, your kitchen, your safety net. The right gear means the difference between a miserable slog and a life-changing journey. We've tested this kit through thousands of miles and every kind of weather, so you get only what truly works. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned hiker, this guide is here to empower you, not overwhelm you. Let's build a kit that lets you focus on the adventure, not the gear. The Osprey Men's Exos 58 is the backbone of any serious backpacking kit. It's lightweight, yet the frame handles a week's worth of gear with ease. The airspeed suspension keeps your back cool, and the design is refreshingly simple, no unnecessary extras. Durable, comfortable, and built to last, the Exos is a pack you'll trust for years. It's the kind of gear that lets you focus on the hike, not your load. The Osprey Women's EJ58 is a legend, tailored for women with a contoured harness and hip belt. It floats on your back thanks to the same airspeed suspension as the Exos. Osprey's almighty guarantee means they'll repair any damage, anytime, no questions asked. That's peace of mind you can count on, wherever your adventures take you. Quality, comfort, and a promise that lasts a lifetime. New to backpacking? The REI Co-op Men's Flash. 55 is your best starting point. Lightweight and budget-friendly, it encourages smart packing from day one. The roll-top closure and modular design let you strip weight as you gain experience. It adapts as your skills grow, making it a smart investment for any beginner. Start light, stay comfortable, and enjoy the journey. The Women's REI Co-op Flash 55 offers the same smart features, with a fit designed for women. S-curve straps and a shaped hip belt mean real comfort on long days. Multiple exterior pockets keep your essentials organized and within reach. A well-organized pack means less stress and more confidence on the trail. Know where everything is, when you need it most. Carrying heavy loads? The Osprey Men's Aether. 55 is built for support and stability. Custom moldable hip belt and harness give a tailored fit, even with extra gear. It's tough, with practical features like a built-in rain cover and easy-access front panel. This is the pack for big missions and bigger comfort. When you need to haul more, the Aether delivers. The Osprey Women's Ariel 55 matches the Aether's load-hauling power, but with a women's specific fit. The suspension system transfers weight to your hips, saving your back and shoulders. Custom moldable hip belt, smart organization, and expedition-ready features make it ideal for serious trips. Whether it's a multi-week trek or family adventure, the Ariel is your reliable partner, built for those who go farther. Gregory's Women's Deva 60 is all about dynamic comfort. The pack moves with you, not against you. The response. A3 suspension adapts to your stride, reducing fatigue on rough terrain. Fully adjustable, with a removable day pack for summit pushes or day hikes. It's loaded with features to make every mile more comfortable, for those who want a truly personalized fit. The Gregory Men's Baltoro 65 is the Deva's counterpart, agile, comfortable, and feature-packed. The ventilated back panel keeps you cool, while plush cushioning supports heavy loads. Smart touches like a weatherproof hip belt pocket and custom-fit rain cover set it apart. It's the luxury SUV of backpacks, no compromises on comfort. Perfect for guides and long-distance trekkers. The Gossamer Gear Mariposa 60 is an ultralight legend among thru hikers. At just 2 pounds, it carries everything you need for long trails without sacrificing comfort. 7 exterior pockets mean you can live out of your pack all day. Minimalist, organized, and practical. The gold standard for ultralight backpackers. When every gram counts, the Mariposa delivers. The Big Agnes Copper Spur UL1 is the solo tent that does it all. Ultralight, freestanding, and roomy. Easy to pitch anywhere with steep walls for real headroom and comfort. The large door and vestibule keep your gear organized and dry. It's a reliable, comfortable home in the wild. Lightweight shelter, maximum livability. The Nemo Hornet Osmo Ultralight is one of the lightest semi-freestanding tents out there. Osmo fabric keeps you dry and resists sagging, even in rain. The flybar clip boosts headroom, and setup is quick and easy. For ultralight backpackers, it's a double-wall tent with almost no weight penalty, engineering at its finest for ounce counters. The REI Co-op Flash. Air 2 is a non-freestanding trekking pole-supported tent for ultralight hikers. Ditching tent poles saves weight and bulk, while dual pitching options add versatility. Hybrid single-wall design balances weight and ventilation. For 2, it's a palace. For 1, it's luxury ultralight living. Backpacking with a partner? The Nemo Dagger. Osmo 2P is all about livability. 2 doors, 2 vestibules, no crawling over each other at night. Pre-bent poles create vertical walls and real space for 2 wide pads. Nightlight pockets turn your headlamp into a lantern. Comfort, space, and convenience for duos. The Featherstone Outdoor UL Granite 2P tent proves you don't need to spend big for quality. Waterproof, easy to set up and freestanding, perfect for beginners. 2 doors and vestibules make it livable for 2. A bit heavier than ultralight models but durable and reliable. The best value for new backpackers or weekend warriors. The Hyperlight Mountain Gear 20 Degrees quilt is ultralight warmth at its best. No zipper, no bottom insulation, just efficient packable heat. Premium down and a secure strap system keep drafts out. Perfect for side sleepers and anyone who hates feeling trapped. The pinnacle of lightweight, packable sleep systems. The Nemo Forte 35 sleeping bag is made for side sleepers and restless campers. The classic spoon shape gives you room to move, bend, and shift positions. Thermo gills let you vent heat without letting in cold drafts. Synthetic insulation stays warm even when damp. Comfort and versatility for every kind of sleeper. The REI Co-op Magma 30 is a top-rated down sleeping bag at a great price. 850 fill goose down means warmth, low weight, and tiny packed size. Water-resistant down and a roomy heat-trapping cut keep you cozy. Available in multiple sizes for the perfect fit. Premium performance without the premium price. The Therm-a-Rest NeoAir Xlite NXT is the benchmark for ultralight sleeping pads. Warm, comfortable, and now quieter than ever. 3 inches thick, R-value 4.5, ready for 3-season adventures. Fast inflation, tiny packed size, and unbeatable comfort. The Nemo Tensor All-Season Ultralight Pad is for cold sleepers and 4-season trips. High R-value, plush comfort, and whisper-quiet insulation. Space frame baffles keep you stable all night. Comes with a pump sack for easy, moisture-free inflation. The MSR Pocket Rocket Deluxe is the go-to stove for reliable hot meals. Lightweight, compact, and with a pressure regulator for consistent performance. Push-start igniter and broad burner head make cooking easy, even in tough conditions. Durable and dependable, just works every time. The JetBoil Minimo is an all-in-one cooking system for fast, fuel-efficient boiling. Flux ring technology means water boils in just over 2 minutes. Improved simmer control and a wide pot make real cooking possible. Everything nests together for a compact, convenient package. The LifeStraw Peak Series collapsible squeeze bottle is water filtration made simple. Fill, squeeze, and drink. No fuss, no waiting. Lightweight, versatile, and effective against bacteria and microplastics. My go-to filter for most trips. The Sunday Afternoons Ultra Adventure Hat is the ultimate sun protection for hikers. Wide brim, long neck cape, and breathable fabric keep you cool and covered. Sunglass lock and adjustable fit add smart touches. Looks dorky, works brilliantly, don't hit the trail without it. The Mountain Hardwear Sunshield Hoodie is my favorite wearable sun protection. UPF 50+ fabric, lightweight and cool against your skin. The hood and thumb loops shield your face, neck, and hands. Essential for any season, any adventure. The Ultra Timp 5 BOA is the trail shoe for all-day comfort and natural movement. Zero-drop platform and wide toe box let your feet move as they should. BOA Fit System gives a dialed-in fit, and Vibram Mega Grip outsole handles any terrain. For hikers who want cushioning and freedom, this is the shoe. That's our trusted kit for wild adventures. Gear that lets you focus on the journey, not the struggle. Start with the essentials. A solid pack, shelter, and sleep system. Borrow, rent, or buy, used as you learn what works for you. Upgrade as you gain experience. Refining your kit is part of the adventure. Share your favorite gear and tips in the comments below. If this guide helped, subscribe for more outdoor wisdom. Thanks for watching. See you on the trail.